Aryan, what is formula for limit of resolution for telescope?
Sir, 1.22 lambda upon diameter.
Correct. 1.22 lambda upon diameter is correct. And what is limit of resolution for compound for microscope?
1.22 lambda upon 2 mu sine theta.
What is mu sine theta called as?
Upper
Numerical aperture.
numerical aperture. Yeah.
So last class we did till I think 60, no, 58. 58 we did na last time?
59.
59 I don't think we have done.
सर आपने फॉर्मूला दिए थे.
59 we have to start na now.
No, you gave the formula for both the questions.
Some we have not done, so that some we are solving. 59. The resolution limit of I is 1 minute. Resolution limit is 1 minute, that is 1 upon 60 degree, which is 1 upon 60 into pi upon 180 radian. So remember always resolution limit of I is 1 minute. At distance x from I, at distance x kilometer from I, two persons are laterally separated by 3 meter. Two persons are at 3 meter. Then what is distance for the 2% to be just resolved? What should be the x? So I can see tan theta is same as theta for small angle. So theta is 3 upon x. This is in meter, so this x will be in meter. We have to convert into kilometer later. So theta is 1 upon 60 into pi upon 180 equals to 3 by x. Therefore, x is 60 into 180 into 3 upon pi. Pi and 3 we can cancel roughly. So this is 108, two zeros in meter. That you can write as 10.8 kilometer. So answer is nearly 10 kilometer, that is A. So 59 over.
Yes, sir.
Sum number 60. A window fitted with wire mesh. There is one window fitted with wire mesh. Wire mesh. At distance 200 is viewed with the help of telescope. Spacing between wire mesh is 2 millimeter. So the spacing between wire mesh is 2 millimeter. The length of light, the wavelength of light is 5000 angstrom. Minimum diameter of the telescope must be. Minimum diameter of the telescope. So D we have to calculate. Wire mesh 2 millimeter apart at distance of 200 meter is seen through telescope whose diameter is D to be calculated. Lambda is 5000. So I can say for telescope theta equals to 1.22 lambda upon D, which is equals to opposite side, that is y upon x. So 1.22 into lambda 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Capital D we have to calculate. Opposite side y 2 millimeter is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 200 meter. 2 into 100. So D will become 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 2 10 1 11. 6.10 into 10 raised to minus 7. 10 raised to plus 2 upon 10 raised to minus 3. Equals to, here I'm writing 6.10 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 100, that is 10 raised to 2 upon 10 raised to minus 2. So 6.10 into 10 raised to minus 5 and plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. This many meter or 6.1 centimeter. Right. Whenever opposite side, adjacent side given, then we can use tan theta is same as theta, which is opposite upon adjacent. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
61. The limit of resolution of telescope of diameter 100 centimeter for light of wavelength 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter is. See, 1 dash means minute, 2 dash means second, this means degree, this means radian. So in answer, when you see it is written like C, then it is called radian. 0 then degree, 1 line then minute, 2 line then seconds. So theta equals to 1.22 lambda upon D. This will come in radian, which we have to convert as per the given option. So 1.22 lambda is 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 7, 100 centimeter means 1 meter. I'm writing this as nearly 1.2 into 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Answer will come in radian. 12 5 is 60, 12 into 5 60, 66 into 10 raised to minus 7 radian. That is nothing but 180 upon pi in degree. 180 upon pi in degree. So pi roughly you can cancel as 3 into 60. So it is 6.6 into 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 in degree. That is 6 into 6 36, 6 into 6 36 and 3 39. into 10 raised to minus 6 चाहिए तो इसको अप्रोक्सीमेटली बाद में 40 लिख सकते हैं equals to 40 into 10 raised to minus 6 in degree. That is nothing but 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this is in second. 4 into 4 36 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 in seconds. 4 6 are 24 14 into 10 raised to minus 3. That means 0.144 second. चेक करो है क्या ये इसका नजदीक का ऑप्शन 0.144 is there. A is the correct answer. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Others have also completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Next is Rayleigh's criteria. Rayleigh's criteria for resolution. See, whenever there are two photographs to be seen on same screen, तो सबको डार्क खाली एक ही फोटोग्राफ दिखाऊंगा तो क्लियर दिखता है ना वो. Sometimes in movies, the police officer wants to show the photo of criminals to their subordinate. तो पूरा बैकग्राउंड डार्क रखता है और एक एक फोटो दिखाता है, एक साथ सब फोटो नहीं दिखाता है. So if I've got two images such that एक का ब्राइटनेस दूसरे का मिनिमम डार्क पे जाएगा, तो मतलब बैकग्राउंड में खाली एक का ही ब्राइट दिखेगा ना ऐसा. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
See, if I want to see two objects clearly, then at a time, if one is not showing any brightness in the vicinity, तो खाली दो एक का देख सकता हूं ना. So when this is called maxima, minima, maxima, minima due to diffraction of first. Same way first का ये diffraction का amplitude intensity, तो इधर इसका मैक्सिमम ब्राइटनेस है फर्स्ट का, जिधर सेकंड का डार्कनेस आया तो मुझे खाली फर्स्ट दिखेगा ना. सेम वे जब सेकंड देखने का है तो फर्स्ट का डार्क आया और फर्स्ट सेकंड का खाली ब्राइट है. सो दिस इज कंडीशन फॉर जस्ट रिजॉल्व. जस्ट रिजॉल्व मींस मैक्सिमा ऑफ वन कोइंसाइड्स विद मिनिमा ऑफ अदर. सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा ऑफ वन coincides with minima of other. Coincides minima of other. That means two objects are placed such that the light emitted by one is not coinciding with light of the other. This is called condition for just resolve. मतलब दो object फिर मुझे clear दिखाई देंगे. Just draw this diagram and write this condition for just resolve. central maxima of one coincides with minimum of other, then it is just resolved. Drawn and completed full?
Yes.
Second one, not resolved. Then maxima of one, distance between central maxima is such that maxima of one coincides with the maxima of other. दैट मीन्स देखो इधर भी ब्राइटनेस आया और पहले से ब्राइट है तो ये वाला इतना ब्लड दिखेगा, क्लियर नहीं दिखेगा. सो व्हेन सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा ऑफ वन coincides with other, coincides with maxima of other, then the images are not resolved. Then the images are not resolved. Third, completely resolved. Now when distance of central maxima is such that maxima of one coincides with minima of, coincides with other than first minimum of other, then it is called not resolved, completely resolved. Draw this diagram right here. Third, it is self-explanatory. Maxima of one coincides with other than first minimum of other. मिनिमम मतलब डार्क, जितना दूर दूर जाएंगे उतना डार्क और भी स्ट्रांग होगा.
Done, sir.
Now coming to that numerical 62. Images to be just resolved when central maxima of one image is falling on the first minima of other. Images to be just resolved. Central of one falls to the first minima of other. First itself is correct, na?
Yes, sir.
So 62 ka A is correct. 63. The two images to be resolved in case of microscope when minimum distance between them is 1.22 lambda upon 2 mu sine of alpha. 1.22 lambda 2 mu sine alpha. Alpha को बीटा दिया है. If mu is 1, तो d हो जाएगा 1.22 mu upon sine alpha, which is option. Here it is beta. That means that microscope is kept in air. Air का refractive index is 1. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
64. So in fact, diffraction part is simple in calculations. Numerical aperture of a oil immersion type microscope is 1.25. Numerical aperture means that mu sin alpha together is 1.25. With transparent liquid between object and objective, wavelength of light used is 4000 angstrom unit. The resolving power of microscope. Resolving power of microscope is 2 mu sin of alpha upon 1.22 lambda. That is 2 into mu sin alpha is 1.25 upon 1.22 into lambda 4 into 10 raised to minus 7. This approximately you can cancel 2 into 2 4. So it is 0.5 into 10 raised to plus 7 or 5 into 10 raised to 6. 5 into 10 raised to 6 per meter. That is close to option A. 65. Distance between images of two stars which are just resolved by lens of focal length 200. Focal length is nothing but distance between source and screen is 200 centimeter and diameter is 10 centimeter. Mean wavelength of light used is given 5000 angstrom unit. We want distance between the images so that they are just resolved. Distance between the images. So suppose this is y. So we can say theta equals to 1.22 lambda upon 1.22 lambda upon d equals to y upon f. So 1.22 lambda 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. D is 10 centimeter. So 10 raised to minus 1 meter. Distance y we have to calculate. 200 centimeter is 2 meter. So y will be 1.22. 5 into 2 is 10 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 10 raised to minus 1. So this is nothing but 1.22 into minus 7 and 1. Minus 6 and plus 1 minus 5 in meter. Let me see option. 1.22 into 10 raised to minus 5 is given. Yes, followed both sums 64 as well as 65. Both the sum followed?
Yes, sir.
Solve.
Done, sir.
Sum number 66, 67, 68 now look. Can I clear this 64, 65 both?
Yes.
C6. In an oil immersion objective microscope, oil of refractive index 1.412. Refractive index 1.412 is used. The wavelength of illuminating light is 4850 angstrom. And the semi-vertical angle, that is that alpha, is 45 degrees. Then the resolving power of microscope is, so resolving power is 1.22 is 2 mu sine alpha on 1.22 lambda. That is 2 into 1.412 into sine 45 upon 1.22. Lambda is 4.580 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is 2 into 1.412 into 1 upon root 2 divided by 1.22 into 4.850 into 10 raised to minus 7. See, 1.414 is like root 2, so I can cancel this. 1.414, it is same as root 2, no? So this I have cancelled.
Yes.
So I get 2 upon 1.22 into 4.850 into 10 raised to plus 7. So this is 0.61. So we can write this as 10 raised to plus 7, 0.6 into 4.850. So 10 raised to plus 7 upon 6 into 5, 30, 6 8s are 48 and 3, 51, carry 5. 6 4s are 24 and 5, 29. After 1, 2, 3, 4 digit decimal. So this is 10 raised to 7 upon approximately 3. So I can write 10 into 10 raised to 6 upon 3. That is close to 3.33 into 10 raised to 6. मतलब एक्चुअली इससे थोड़ा ज्यादा, बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर हैव इंक्रीज, तो आंसर मुझे कम मिला 3.37 into 10 raised to 6 की आंसर. सॉरी.
Done, sir.
67. Are I clear? Others have also copied?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. 67. फिर से वही लिखा है, ऑयल इमर्शन ऑब्जेक्टिव माइक्रोस्कोप ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स 1.5 is used if the wavelength of light used is 4750 angstrom and resolving power of microscope is 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 per meter. Then what is semi-vertical angle? So resolution power is 2 mu sine alpha upon 1.22 lambda. So sine alpha is resolution power into 1.22 lambda upon 2 mu. So 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 into 1.22 lambda 4.750 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 2. into mu 1.5. This is 2 into 0.61, 5 into 0.3, 0.59 is a 45, remainder will be 2, 45 remainder 2, 5 into 5, 0. So now this is approximately, you can cancel. 34 upon 3, दोनों का decimal निकाला, into 0.950, 0.61 into 10 raised to minus 1. This is 3 into 11. That is same as 11 into 5, 55. 11 into 9, 99. And 5 is 1, not 4. And 0 after 3-digit decimal. Into 0.61 into 10 raised to minus 1. So this is close to 1.0450 into 0.61. That means this will be slightly greater than 0.61. Correct? Hello? So alpha will be greater than sine inverse of 0.61. Had it been 0.5, then what was your answer? If it is 0.5,
30.
30 degrees. If it is 0.7071, then
45.
correct, 45. So definitely this is less than that. The alpha is here 32 degrees 34 minutes. In exam, generally they will give you this value. Right. See, I have not written 45 क्योंकि 0.7 का close में नहीं है, 0.5 का close में.
None, sir.
Sum number 68. The aperture of largest telescope in the world is 5 meter. Aperture means that size of lens is 5 meter. If the separation between moon and earth, separation between moon and earth is 4 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. Suppose this is x. And wavelength of visible light of 5000 angstrom is used. Then minimum separation between two objects on the surface of moon. Two objects on the surface of moon should be how much? So we know for telescope theta is 1.22 lambda upon d. From figure here it is y by x. So 1.22 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. D is 5 meter equals to y. To be calculated, x is 4 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer, convert into meter. 5, 5 cancel. 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 1, 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 equals to y. 5 and 8, 8 and x will become plus 1. Minus 5, 5 and 3, 8, it will become plus 1. Therefore, 48.8 is y. That is, y is nearly 50 meter. Therefore, answer is nearly 50 meter.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now I'm explaining you the concept of intensity of light coming out through Polaroid. Intensity of polarized light. When it passes through Polaroid. See, unpolarized light is represented by resultant of two vibration. One is vertical, other is horizontal going into the plane. This is called unpolarized light. So what is intensity of unpolarized light? Can I say it is root of a square plus a square? Because this a and this a, they are perpendicular to each other. So resultant will be a square plus 2aa into cos of theta is 90. Iska square. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because intensity is square of amplitude and resultant amplitude is by vector sum a square plus 2a into cos 90. So is it nothing but root of a square plus a square? This will become 0. So root of 2a square plus square, that is nothing but 2a square. This one clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So first case, unpolarized light intensity will be 2a square. Now polarized light means only one vibration. So amplitude is only a. So intensity of polarized light will be only a square. So if this is unpolarized light which has vibration of electric vector in any plane perpendicular to the direction of propagation, when it is made to pass through polaroid, then if this is I and this is I naught, which is nothing but output through one polaroid, then can I say this is nothing but polarized light coming out this way? So I of polarized light, upon I of unpolarized light is equals to A square upon 2A square. Therefore, I of polarized light is half of I of unpolarized light. So this polarized light I can call I naught, unpolarized I call I. So that means if polarized light comes out, it will be half the intensity of original. इसको और भी कम करना है तो आगे और पोलराइड लगाते हैं. इधर तक समझ में आया? हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
मतलब क्या, देखो ये अलग अलग वाइब्रेशन है ना, विच वी कंसिडर लाइक दिस. अभी उसमें से मैंने एक पोलराइड ऐसा रखा जो खाली ये इसको जाने देगा, ऐसा वर्टिकल वाले को. तो वर्टिकल वाले का इंटेंसिटी इज ओनली ए स्क्वायर, रिजल्टेंट था 2a स्क्वायर अनपोलराइज्ड. सो पोलराइज्ड बिकम्स 50% ऑफ द ओरिजिनल. अभी इसको मुझे 50 से भी कम करने का, तो इसके आगे और कुछ पोलराइड लगाऊंगा. सो फर्स्ट जस्ट राइट दिस मच फुल. फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड. अश्लेषा फॉलोड?
Yes, sir.
आर्यन सिंह?
Yes, sir. Follow.
इतना पहले करो, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ पोलराइड, और डायग्राम बना के लास्ट तक लिखो. फिर आई एम डूइंग 3 केसेस. इसके आगे का पोलराइड पैरेलल, आगे का पोलराइड इसको परपेंडिकुलर, आगे का पोलराइड इसको इंक्लाइन.
Done, sir.
Okay, now I'm showing you 3 cases. After the polarized light passes through different polarides, then what will be the answers? So only single polaride, then always intensity is half of the original. Case 1. This is unpolarized light which has vibration of electric vector in different direction in the same plane. This is nothing but direction of propagation of light, which is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of vectors in this plane. Now suppose we get this will give unpolarized light. Unpolarized light. Here I place one polaride P1 which has got vertical vibration orientation of the crystalline sheet as such that vertical vibration will travel. तो ये ऐसा output देगा vertical वाला. This is I naught. This was giving here output I. Only I naught is I upon 2. this is made to pass further through another polaroid which is also kept in same direction, parallel vibration को जाने देगा. तो मुझे फिर से आउटपुट ऐसा मिलेगा. This is suppose polaroid 2, P2. Now in this case angle between this is 0. Here angle between two polaroid is 0 degree. So whatever the intensity of light, same will come outside from the other end also. Clear? Meaning followed? See, suppose I have got window with vertical obstruction, vertical rods placed, बीच बीच में गैप है, तो वर्टिकल वाले को गैप से जाने देगा ना वो सबको, और उसका पैरेलल दूसरा एक और विंडो रखा है, तो एक विंडो से पास हुआ तो दूसरे विंडो से ही पास होएगा. हेलो, सपोज अपने पास विंडो है जिसमें खाली वर्टिकल रॉड्स है, हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं, तो गैप में से वर्टिकल वाला चला जाएगा ना. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? ये ऐसा है, वर्टिकल ऐसा है, तो ये गैप में से पास हो जाएगा ना, हॉरिजॉन्टल को कट कर देगा ना ये. फिर इसके बाजू में फिर से ऐसे ही रखा है, तो फिर से वर्टिकल को जाने देगा ना. मतलब ऐसा जाली है अपने पास, वर्टिकल वर्टिकल वर्टिकल, तो इसमें से वर्टिकल वाला चला जाएगा ना पास होके, ऐसे वाले को कट कर देगा ना ये जाली. नहीं समझा? हेलो हेलो,
Followed, sir.
okay, just case 1 write down. Case 1 completed, then say, then we'll see 90 degree पे क्या होएगा. Parallel में same to same will come out. So whatever was intensity through first polaroid, same will be through second polaroid.
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody is done? Shall I clear it?
No, sir, 1 minute. Done, sir.
Case 2. When angle between two polaroid is 90 degree, that means this is unpolarized light having vibration in all the direction in same plane. This is direction of propagation. Direction of propagation. And here there is polaroid with allowing vertical vibration to travel. So here I get I naught through polaroid 1. Second polaroid is kept such that its axis is perpendicular to this. मतलब देखो ये क्या करेगा, वर्टिकल वाले को जाने देगा क्या? अभी ये वर्टिकल इधर आया ऐसा, उसको जाने देगा क्या ये?
No, sir.
नहीं, तो इंटेंसिटी इधर क्या हो जाएगा, रिजल्टेंट 0. So actually it comes from the formula I, that means final polaroid का output is I naught cos square theta. Why it comes like this? See, what is formula for intensity? Is it square of amplitude? Hello? Is intensity square of amplitude?
Yes.
तो ये वाला इंटेंसिटी इज स्क्वायर ऑफ एम्पलीट्यूड आया. अभी इसके बाद ये इस सपोज ऐसा है एम्पलीट्यूड, तो ए ऐसा रहेगा, तो इसका कंपोनेंट आएगा ना हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल. इफ दिस इज थीटा तो ये ए कॉस ए साइन ऐसा होएगा ना. हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
when it is not parallel like this but inclined, so it will have component. If I take this, तो ये component a cos, ये वाला a sin. So if a cos को allow किया, then it will become, suppose ऐसा जाने लगा हो गया और ये एंगल थीटा लिया, तो इधर a cos वाला आएगा, ये component को जाने देगा वर्टिकल वाला which is a cosine. So now intensity will become a cos theta का square, that means a square cos square theta. Now a square is I naught, इसलिए I naught cos square theta is our formula for intensity from last second polarized. Okay, have you followed this meaning? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Resultant intensity from second polaroid is I naught cos square theta. अगर perpendicular है तो ये 90 जैसा इसमें है, cos 90 0, therefore resultant is 0. Right, second case. Please write name on your papers every time. It becomes easier for checking.
Done, sir.
Okay, 1 second. So in general, if there is any angle, then it will become case 3. Angle between two polaroid is theta. So this is unpolarized light. Direction of propagation. First polaroid is having vertical vibration. Second polaroid is making angle theta with vertical. So this will give intensity I0. This will have intensity I equals to I0 cos square theta. Please copy this diagram and write the answer. This law is called as, इसको बोलते हैं Malus law. Aryan saying
Yes, sir.
next week आपको रोज एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर है इवनिंग में 9:30 to 10:30.
Okay, sir.
बिकॉज आपका मार्क कम है थोड़ा. वही पेपर का हर एक सम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट. Then one test you will write. If you are getting more than 150, then no extra lecture. Otherwise, again it will be extra lecture.
Done, sir.
1 minute. Huh? Tasmay, this time test paper you copied the answer from somebody or you wrote on your own? Hello, Tasmay?
Yes, sir.
Answer. You're done on your own or you got somebody's help?
No, sir.
अच्छा. Because आपका और अनिकेत का सेम मार्क है इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. Okay, we'll see one sum on this so that we get idea of the formula. That wave theory of light का homework problem number homework problem Polaroid वाला just see question number 56 page number 21 wave theory of light. Can you see homework sum? 56 property assigned to luminiferous ethers are. Can you see that sum?
Yes, sir.
चलो फिर एक अभी इसका थ्योरी इसलिए बता देता हूँ फिर नेक्स्ट वाला पोलराइड के ऊपर है. The luminiferous ethers must be of what? Low density. Elasticity तो चाहिए because if it is elastic then only it will propagate the light in the medium. Then because he assumed longitudinal wave, according to Huygens he assumed that those waves are longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave means like sound wave. Sound wave should have low elasticity and rigidity, then only it can travel faster. So as per him, he assumed that it is of low density and elasticity, that is V. Now this will never come in the exam because this type of series now are deleted now. Next sum I am doing Polaroid wala. एक दो sum करता हूँ then we'll stop. 57. What is angle between plane of oscillation and plane of polarization? What is angle between plane of oscillation and plane of polarization?
Pi by 2.
Plane of oscillation. What is plane of polarization? बराबर है, pi by 2. Plane of polarization means the one which is absent. Oscillation means vibration ना, तो दोनों आपस में 90 डिग्री होता है. 58. What is angle between plane of polarization and direction of propagation? Plane of polarization and direction of propagation 0 degree. That is A. 59. The polarizer and analyzer are inclined to each other at 60. So this is suppose unpolarized light. This is first one polarizer. This is second one analyzer, inclined by 60 degree. ये 60 degree है इसके साथ. Then what is intensity of unpolarized light? The intensity of polarized light emerging from the polarizer is I. Again I am repeating. Polarizer, ये polarizer है, is inclined at 6. Intensity of the polarized light emerging from polarizer is I. Not from analyzer. From polarizer is I. What is intensity of unpolarized light? Unpolarized light is double of polarized light or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
अगर एनालाइजर का रहता तो अलग आंसर आता था, क्योंकि इसका आंसर होएगा I रिजल्टेंट इज I cos स्क्वायर 60. ठीक है ना? लेकिन ये इसका I नहीं दिया है एज I, इसका दिया है. तो माय फॉर्मूला हैज दिस I, इधर से आया, that will become double I. Anybody is having doubt in this? हेलो?
No, sir.
ये थियरी समझा है मैंने आपको. अगर वो क्लिक हो गया रहेगा तो आ गया. Sum number 6. The axis of polarizer and analyzer are at 45 degree. So this is polarizer P1. This is analyzer P2. इसका एक्सिस is at 45 degree. मतलब दोनों के बीच का एंगल is 45 degree. If the amplitude of unpolarized light incident on polarizer is A, amplitude of unpolarized light is A, ये वाले का A, तो इधर क्या आएगा? इधर कैन यू टेल इधर क्या आएगा? इसका एम्पलीट्यूड, ये A है तो
A by 2.
करेक्ट, A by 2. A by 2 नहीं था, इसका एम्पलीट्यूड A बोला है ना, तो इधर वाले का एम्पलीट्यूड क्या पूछा है? फ्रॉम द पोलराइजर इट इज A. सो फर्स्ट आई एम राइटिंग एज इंटेंसिटी, फिर इजी हो जाएगा. ये I नॉट और इधर वाला रिजल्टेंट. We are interested in finding what is amplitude of light transmitted through the analyzer. Amplitude through the analyzer. I resultant is I naught into cos square 45. Any doubt till this? Any doubt till this? Hello, any
No, sir.
doubt? No.
No, sir.
Okay. अभी I naught into 1 by √2 का स्क्वायर. इंपॉर्टेंट सम है क्योंकि इंटेंसिटी नहीं, उल्टा पूछ लिया एम्पलीट्यूड. सो रिजल्टेंट इक्वल्स टू I naught into 1 by 2. Okay, clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now this intensity is square of amplitude. This intensity is the square of amplitude. So IR equals to I by 2 into half. So intensity is I by 4. No doubt, I think. Hello? No doubt, no? Hello?
No, sir.
So this is resultant का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ये I जिसका एम्पलीट्यूड A था A/4, so resultant will be equals to A/2. I hope exactly follow, perfectly follow.
Yes.
देखो गलती से सब लोग A/√2 करने का चांस है, A/2 हो गया क्योंकि ये √2A होता है, लेकिन वो लोग ने बोला A, तो आई वेंट इनटू इंटेंसिटी, फाइनली इंटेंसिटी स्क्वायर ऑफ एम्पलीट्यूड डाल दिया. यस राहुल, यू फॉलोड? राहुल, राहुल हैव यू फॉलोड?
Yes, sir.
अंकिता?
Yes, sir.
बाकी का 2 कल करता हूं सो दैट कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. So remember, in intensity then you can convert as square of amplitude. Tomorrow we'll start with new chapter, which is atoms, molecule, nuclei. Hello, Kamya, you followed this polarization part?
Yes, sir.
This Sunday you are not having test. Test is on Monday as per your request.
Yes, sir.
Now every week I will take one concept वाला topic. Like एक बार कभी friction, कभी collision, ऐसा एक एक छोटा छोटा टॉपिक का थियरी फिर से रिवाइज करता हूँ.
Okay, sir.
फिर कभी रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी, ऐसा छोटा छोटा एक टॉपिक.
सर नेक्स्ट टेस्ट में रे ऑप्टिक्स आएगा ना?
हाँ, पूरा पूरा रे ऑप्टिक्स, वेव ऑप्टिक्स दोनों है ना, पूरा लाइट है.
ओके सर.
हेलो अनन्या?
Yes, sir.
See, after completing entire this part 2, if I start with rotational dynamic, is it comfortable to you?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
And so you have to take a class
Sure.
on
Gravitation.
gravitation. Yes, but the instruments,
Which instrument you are telling? Measurement?
vernier caliper and all of that.
Oh, okay, okay. When you want,
So whenever I'm okay with any time.
I will let you know. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That
Thank
I
you,
will do
sir.
for all the students in this batch only. I will do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Everybody is completed.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Tomorrow, same timing.
Yes, sir.
The remaining 3 sums I will do. You also try. Then check whether you have done perfectly or not. That will be, I think, best method to analyze whether you have understood. So that's all for today. Next class tomorrow, as usual, we will complete this chapter.